So the plan is to replace the chain. It's really bad shape. I don't know how much. I have bought this one, 116 links. And the first thing is to try to see if I can find a quick link on this chain, or if I have to put it apart. No, I don't seem to be able to find any quick link, so I'll have to take it apart. I'm gonna use this tool as a chain breaker. It's from Part2. Small little handy kit. So I'm just putting it there and make sure that it's on. Small ring, focus, yes. And then just, I have to do this with you. I need both hands, but I just screw this until it plops out. Here you can see the joint coming out. So I'll just continue moving the insects. And then you can see the pin has come out a long way. So now I'm retracting and it might fall apart. Probably will. No. So sorry, I need to use my both hands now, but I just put it apart. And it's apart. Just hanging there. So now I will put it out on the length and see how many links there are. So I have laid it out and counted the links, and I got 113, so I probably counted wrong and it's 112. And the new one is 116, so I have to remove some links. So reading the manual, it says you have to cut it not on the same place as the quick link, but on another place. So be careful of that. If you need to shorten the chain due to a number of changing the number of sprocket teeth or otherwise, my chain is too long, so I have to shorten it. And don't do it with where the quick link is. You have to short it on another place, otherwise it will be hurt, it says. So the simplest method I know of, and I always try to use the simplest method, is putting the chain on the biggest sprocket in the front and putting it on the biggest sprocket in the back. And then here you can see that I have got two overlap, so I adjust that so they're pretty much aligned. And I haven't threaded it through the derailleur, I think you call it. You get the picture. I'm almost losing it here, but you can see that it's a bit too lengthy, and I have to shorten it about four pulleys there. So that means two parts here, but I do it on another place than here. Oh man, it's pretty hard filming this stuff. You get greasy in your fingers. Yeah, so you can see I have removed or torn it apart, and I'm gonna remove these links now. So there you have it, 4 links removed. And make sure when you put it back that it's easy to, you know, that it's bends easy. So you might have to do a little more times, forth and back, but this is how it should be, bend easy. Now time to put it on the bike. So the new chain is in place. It was a bit tricky getting this, and it's hard to focus. It was a bit tricky getting this into place, but I sort of had to bend it, both parts in, and then I could snap it into place. So at least better than before, but has to be cleaned and so on. This is just my sort of commute bike and the most trash bike I have, so it will do. Can do some more kilometers on it now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. As you can see, the middle sprocket is pretty bad, so might have to replace the whole sprocket, all three of them. I don't know if you can get them each, and if you can, it's probably almost as expensive as buying the whole kit.